Kahit na parang yung pamamaraan namin mas maganda sa pamamaraan mo. Kahit pakiramdam ko mas matalino ako sa iyo. Pero dahil ikaw ang aking Panginoon at ang aking Diyos, Lord, I submit my wisdom, my ability, my experience, and my education into your hands. Ito ang nakagawian ko, ito ang nakasanayan ko. Pero dahil ito ang sinabi mo, I will hold on to the truth of God's word and I will trust your ways anyway. I will trust you with all my heart, with all my soul. Kahit na parang hindi ko pa nakikita, pero dahil ito ang instruction mo, I will follow you no matter what. You trust God. Anumang timing, anumang lagay ng ating puso. Ano daw ang instruction? Trust the Lord with all your heart. Do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways. In all your small decisions. In all your decision making. Acknowledge the Lord. Submit it to His will. Submit it to His ways. And He shall direct your path.